Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale risk assessment with Chubb, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale risk assessment with Chubb, start by accessing the Chubb risk assessment platform online. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its key features. Select the option for initiating a new risk assessment. Begin by entering your company details. Provide information about your industry sector. Specify the geographical locations of your operations. Identify the key assets you wish to protect. Choose the specific risks relevant to your business. Utilize the predefined risk categories for guidance. Input any historical data on incidents or claims. Assess the likelihood of each identified risk occurring. Evaluate the potential impact of these risks on your operations. Generate a preliminary risk profile based on your inputs. Review the suggested mitigation strategies provided by Chubb. Customize these strategies to fit your unique business needs. Document your findings within the platform for future reference. Engage with Chubb's risk management resources for additional support. Regularly update your risk assessment as your business evolves. Schedule periodic reviews to stay proactive in risk management. Leverage Chubb's analytics to track improvements over time. Use the reporting feature to share insights with your team. Integrate risk assessment findings into your overall business strategy. Prepare for upcoming assessments by establishing a timeline. Encourage collaboration among your team to gather diverse insights. Ensure compliance with industry regulations throughout the process. Adopt a culture of risk awareness within your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.